Good morning, ma'am and sir. My name is Josie Hernadal. I am 44 years old and I am looking for a job in Hong Kong. My work experience as a domestic helper was started in Lebanon way back 2005 to 2015. Then my second experience is in Hong Kong. I take care 2 years old and 4 years old kids in Maonshan. And my second work experience in Hong Kong, elderly care. I take care Yeye from 92 years old to 97, almost 97 years old. So he passed away and I worked there for almost 6 years. My third work experience in Hong Kong, also elderly care. I take care 85 years old Yeye also with elderly care with dementia. They have diabetes and hypertension. It's only 5 months and then I found another opportunity to work in Africa and I grabbed my new opportunity in Africa. It's a short contract only as a nanny.